Hey guys, in today's video we're going to take a close look at 5 of the most popular PLR websites on the internet. PLRProducts.com, 𝗣𝗶𝗰𝗁𝘁𝘂𝗋𝗄𝗰𝘁𝘀, PLR Products Elite, PLRDatabase.net and Big Product Store. I'll walk you through what each site offers, whether they have any free features, how much they cost, and roughly how many products they actually have in their libraries. Let's dive right into it. PLRProducts.com. Let's start with PLRProducts.com. This one has been around for a while and is different from some of the membership-style PLR sites because it doesn't use subscriptions or credits. Instead, you buy individual products. Each product is listed with its own price, usually around $5 to $10, and you can find bundles that contain thousands of articles or ebooks for a one-time payment. For example, they offer things like a 5,000 fitness PLR articles bundle or full PLR ebook packages that include covers and sales pages. In terms of free features, there doesn't appear to be a free membership or free download section available. They focus more on affordable pay-per-product pricing rather than giving away samples. That being said, they do sometimes have special deals and discounts in their deals section. As for the total number of products, PLRProducts.com says they have thousands of PLR and master resale rights items, and they regularly add new ones each month. While they don't list an exact total, it's safe to say their library is large and constantly expanding. This site is great if you don't want to pay for a monthly membership and prefer to pick and choose exactly what you need. It's straightforward, you pay once, download, and it's yours to use and edit under PLR or MRR terms. 𝗣𝗶𝗰𝗁𝘁𝘂𝗰𝘁𝘀. Next up is 𝗣𝗊PLR.com, which is one of the biggest and most recognized names in the PLR world. The good thing about 𝗣𝗊PLR is that it does offer a free membership. With that, you can access over 200 free PLR products, including ebooks, videos, graphics, software, and templates. So if you just want to test the waters before paying, this is a solid way to start. When it comes to pricing, 𝗣𝗊PLR uses a membership model. They have several options. A 3-month gold membership for $47, a 1-year gold membership for $97, and a lifetime gold membership for $147. That lifetime option gives you full access to their entire library, which currently includes over 12,000 PLR and MRR products, and it also covers future releases. They add new content regularly, so it's one of the larger, more actively updated libraries out there. If you like having access to a massive range of PLR material in one place without worrying about extra fees or downloads running out, 𝗣𝗊PLR is a great option. The free plan gives you a taste, but the paid plans are where you get the real value, especially the lifetime access for a one-time fee. PLRProductsElite.com. Now let's talk about PLR Products Elite. This is a newer player compared to 𝗣𝗊PLR, but it's become known for the sheer volume of products it offers. According to the site, they have over 57,000 PLR products covering more than 500 niches. That includes thousands of ebooks, reports, software, video courses, and even spreadsheets and templates. One thing to note is that PLR Products Elite does not appear to have a free tier. Membership starts with the basic plan at $37 every 3 months, which renews automatically unless you cancel. They mention 4 different membership options in total, though not all the pricing levels are listed publicly on their site. In short, PLR Products Elite is built for people who want access to a massive range of digital content in one place. The size of the library is impressive, and if you're planning to create or resell digital products across different niches, this could be one of the most comprehensive options available. The downside is that you do need to pay to get started since there's no free trial or free content section. PLRDatabase.net. PLRDatabase.net is one of the most flexible sites out of the bunch because it actually does let you start for free. You can sign up without entering payment information and access over 1,000 free PLR products right away. That's a great way to test out what they offer without spending anything. If you decide to upgrade, they have a premium plan that unlocks over 20,000 digital products. The pricing depends on the length of your subscription. Some listings mention $10 per month, while others mention about $49 per year. There's even a lifetime option on some pages that costs around $70, so it's still one of the more affordable PLR memberships overall. The library itself is big, over 20,000 items according to their own figures, and that includes ebooks, software, templates, graphics, and more. The free section alone contains over 1,000 downloads, so even if you never upgrade, there's still plenty of content to work with. PLRDatabase.net is perfect if you want flexibility. You can start free, explore what's available, and only upgrade if you find it useful. It's also easy to navigate, and the product categories are organized clearly by type and niche. 𝗣𝗶𝗱𝗁𝘁𝑐𝗿𝗄𝗰𝘁. Finally, let's look at 𝗣𝗶ProductsStore.com. This site takes a slightly different approach from some of the others, with both monthly and yearly access options. Sadly, I couldn't find the lifetime option for you. Their memberships are divided into regular and ultimate plans. Here's how the pricing breaks down. $29.90 per month for the ultimate monthly plan. $19.90 per month for standard monthly access. An ultimate yearly plan for $198.50, and a yearly membership for $98.50. Both the monthly and the yearly plans give you unlimited downloads. The ultimate versions give access to exclusive or higher tier products that aren't included in the standard membership. As for how much content they have, 𝗣𝗶productsStore says they offer over 15,000 PLR and resale rights products. They also add new items regularly. The library includes ebooks, videos, graphics, and software, and every product comes with resale or private label rights depending on its category. 𝗣𝗶produtsStore does have a free download section. You can sign up for free and upgrade to the paid plans later on. Considering how much you get for the price, especially with the yearly plans, it's still a good deal for long-term use. Now, let's summarize and compare these sites. If you're looking for free content, 𝗣𝗍PLR and PLRDatabase.net are the two best options. Both give you access to free downloads and both let you upgrade for more. PLRDatabase.net has over 1,000 free products, while 𝗣𝗍PLR's free tier includes over 200 products. If you prefer to buy individual products instead of paying for a membership, PLRProducts.com is the one to go for. You just pay once for what you need, and you don't have to commit to a monthly or yearly plan. If you're looking for massive libraries, PLR Products Elite and 𝗣𝗶produtsStore are your go-to options. PLR Products Elite claims over 57,000 items, which is huge, and 𝗣𝗶produtsStore lists between 10,000 and 15,000. Both are membership-based, so you'll need to pay to get access, but you get thousands of downloads at your fingertips. Finally, if you care about long-term access, 𝗣𝗍PLR and PLR Products Elite both offer lifetime memberships. That means you pay once and get access forever, which can be really cost-effective if you use PLR regularly. Each of these PLR sites serves a slightly different audience. If you just want to test things out, go for 𝗣𝗍PLR, PLRDatabase.net, or 𝗣𝗶produtsStore for their free memberships. If you want massive value for the price, 𝗣𝗶produtsStore or PLR Products Elite will give you more products than you'll ever need. And if you like paying only for what you use, PLRProducts.com gives you that flexibility. Before downloading anything, make sure you check the license attached to each product. Some will come with full private label rights, while others are only master resale rights or basic resale rights. Knowing the difference is important, especially if you plan to edit, brand, or sell the resale rights. That wraps up this overview of the 5 PLR sites: 𝗣𝗍PLR, PLRDatabase.net, PLRProducts.com, PLR Products Elite, and 𝗣𝗶produtsStore. Each one has its own pros and cons, so the best choice depends on how you like to work and how often you plan to use PLR materials. Hey guys, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share and also leave a comment down below and let me know which of these sites might be the best one for your needs. Just so you know, on the top left hand side of the screen, you'll see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.